2016 Chevy Equinox LTZ all-wheel drive. Hi, and welcome to Oliver Motors Virtual Walk-Around. Oliver Motors has two locations, 246 West Main Street in Sun Prairie and 315 South Boulevard in Baraboo. As I stated, we are currently walking around a 2016 Chevy Equinox LTZ all-wheel drive. The Equinox receives a little bit of a revised front-end styling for this model year from the years past with projector beam headlights, LED daytime running lights, and an updated rear fascia with new taillights. Other than that, since its introduction back in 2010, the Chevy Equinox has really not been changed too much. And why? Because especially in the automotive industry where they change cars' body styles about every 3-4 years, well, simply put, if it's not broke, don't fix it. It is probably one of the most sought-after mid-size SUVs that's out there today. Nice features like the alloy wheels on this LTZ package, opening up the driver's door. Features like power locks right in front of the door handle, power mirrors, power windows, all right there at your left hand, nicely set on the driver's door. The upgraded Pioneer stereo system. Two-person memory seat up in the front with the power seats on this gorgeous leather black interior. As we hop up inside, we're going to take a look at some of the other great features that this has to offer. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel is your cruise control, along with your side detection and frontal impact. On the right-hand side is going to be your hands-free controls. On the right-hand side, on the shifter on the back there, you do have your windshield wipers. Down below the key in there, you do have lock, unlock, remote start. On the left-hand side is your headlamps, your blinkers, and your brights. Taking a look at the dash, nice bright LED display. Your info center right there in the center of everything. Up on the top, you'll see that little area right there. That's where if you do have someone on either one of your sides, it'll pop up and display. Or if you're getting too close to the car in front of you, the same thing. As you just saw there on that big screen, a nice bright displayed backup camera. Also your radio controls. Down below, your climate controls, we just took a look at the heated seats in the front. Look at all the storage compartments in here. I've been driving this car, and I'm very impressed with the amount of room and storage it does have to offer, both up on the dash, the little cubbies, underneath the armrest that you just saw, the nice big passenger side glove box, OnStar capabilities. Up underneath the rear view mirror, the 3 buttons for your garage door openers. And of course, all of the features here are helping out with the rear hatch, and also, which we'll take a look at in just a second, a nice big, there it is, nice big sunroof that goes over the driver and passenger's head. Again, like I said, I've driven this vehicle, very comfortable seating, easy to get in and out of, and everything is right there at the driver's fingertips. Hopping around to the back seat, the back doors there, this is a 5-person vehicle. 3 in the back. As you can see, a ton of room for leg room with the seats the way they are. If you have 1 or 2, you can drop down that center armrest, forward armrest, and extra cup holders. A little lever on the back drops down the back seats into a 60-40 split, giving you more cargo room in the back. And speaking about cargo room, let's walk around to the back of this gorgeous vehicle. Pop open that rear hatch and take a look at the amount of room that is in the back here. As you can see, a ton of room. You don't even need to drop down those back seats unless you need to pull some bigger stuff in, because it's ample enough for room to have 5 people, storage, golf bags, groceries, whatever you should need. Underneath, you just saw the spare tire jack assembly. A little button up above. This does have the rear assist back door, which is also on that key fob. You can click the key fob, opens up the back, shuts the back for you in case you do have your hands full of groceries. Popping open the hood, this particular vehicle does have the V6 motor. Everything you need to check or fill is easily accessible. Now, I say this has the V6 because it has the 2 options, the V6 or the 4-cylinder. The V6 does give you more power for those people who are needing it on the highways. Safety features like crumple points, drop-away motor mounts, 5-mile-an-hour bumpers, front and rear, all included in this gorgeous vehicle.